Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Fluid Arts by Elsa. I am thankful for all of you watching, joining me, and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click the notification button and the subscription button if you like what you see. If not, anyway, welcome. I am glad that you're watching my video. So before we begin, I'm going to start by showing you the painting of my previous video. And it's still a little wet, but look how gorgeous she dried. And she's drying the same way as I blew it out. You can see the center's a little wet still. But look how beautiful it is. I love the depthness that it has. The motion of the blowout, beautiful. The little cells make it very interesting, so it adds interest to the painting. And the shine, what do you guys think? I love the color palette, love the green accents throughout this painting. The pearl, how it shows up, look at that, beautiful. So I'll let it finish drying. Tell me, what do you guys think about this one? It is a beautiful piece, see? And we're gonna go ahead and continue with today's painting. Let me put this away. There it is. So today we are gonna be working on a smaller canvas, once again, a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And the colors are gonna be leftover paints that I had sitting on my shelf. I have a pink, a powder blue, and a king's blue, and I believe they're Amsterdam paints. I think only the powder blue is Winsor and Newton, but the other two are Amsterdam paints. So we're gonna go ahead, we're doing a triple split base, and then we'll do some colors on the top. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are, and we have a 14 by 14 inch canvas, like I mentioned earlier. And we're gonna go ahead and flood. So I have this pink that I mixed a while ago, and I believe this color, I don't even know. Yeah, I don't know what, I think is Amsterdam, because I was mixing them. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flood here. How do I want this? And I'm using the stick. It's a small canvas, so I'm not gonna speed you guys up. Okay. Next, I have, this is like a powder blue. How beautiful. Okay. So guys, I hope you all had a great and restful weekend. My weekend was a quiet one. Yeah, it was a quiet one. And I've been thinking, I think I am gonna start doing some bloom videos. Tell me what you think about that. Tell me if you would like to see some bloom videos. I don't like blooming too much because it's too much, it's too much of a mess for me. So I kind of don't like to do that, but I have all my piggies sitting there. I do have to get back into it. So tell me if you'd like to see some of those videos as soon as I can. And we'll take a break from the pours and do some blooms. But leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Would you like to see some bloom videos? Okay. Now, my next color is this King's Blue. Beautiful blue color. So we're going to go ahead and pour this in. Or on the canvas. I love the triple colors here. It looks beautiful. And I'm going to come around so that I can disperse this on the top of the canvas here. I do have a lot of paint, so I want to make sure I get all the excess out. This is a lot, so a lot of color on here. Okay. All right. There are my colors. I'm going to spread it out a bit. Okay. So there we are. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour our colors down. So I am going to be starting with Luminous Violet by Holbein. And I'm just gonna tell you before I proceed, I'm just trying to move this a little bit over so we get that glare out of the way. So before I begin, between each color that I'm layering, I am layering Pearl White by Amsterdam. So I'm starting with Luminous Violet by Holbein. I'm going to be very light-handed with this one because this one tends to take over. As I squeeze the living lights out of this bottle. I'm sorry, guys. And I'm saying we're going to go light-handed, right? Okay, Elsa. Now we're going to do a strip of Pearl White by Amsterdam. It's a lot of color, a lot of paint on this small canvas. We'll see what happens. Next, we're gonna do Pearl Lavender Purple by Arteza. I love the colors here. Okay. And again, the Pearl White. Just a tiny bit. Then I'm doing 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Little bit of this. Okay. And now I'm not gonna add the white anymore. I am gonna add the Pearl Tulip Pink by Arteza. And now, on this side of the blue, I want to add some pink. Just a smidge of this pink. Just like that. A hint of that pink. And then, on this side of the pink, I want to add some of this blue. And on this side of this blue, I want to add some of this darker blue. Right here. There. Okay. So there it is. I'm going to torch out my colors, my air bubbles. It looks pretty already. I really like the colors. Okay, so that works for me. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blow it out. And I wanna start this way. Okay, so I like this. I'm just taking this back. I'm kind of just removing this petal. Okay. I love the blowout. This is gorgeous. I love it. I'm super happy with it. I'm just trying to remove this petal, but it looks like it is underneath. Yeah, the color's underneath. Might as well just leave it before I like make a mess of it. leave it, Elsa. Maybe if I drop a dot of the blue on top, disappear. Yeah, that's better. I'm just trying to cover the color that's showing up here. Hopefully this helps it cover it up. I think it will. Yeah. Beautiful. I think that works. That did it. So there's another tip for you guys. Okay. So I love it. I don't think there's anything I want to do here other than clean my sides and show you how this beauty has turned out. I love it. Okay, so here she is. Check out this beauty. I love it. I'm trying to avoid the glare of the lights, but you're gonna get it anyway. So look at this petal here as it comes off the canvas. I love the solid colors, the splash here. And I love how everything just kind of shifted over to the left here from this petal over down. Love it. That's how I blew it out. I like how that 24 karat gold shows up. Love the stream of colors. I love how much depth is created by the Holbein. Take a look at this throughout the painting. And every section, it's just gorgeous on its own. So we'll go to the powder blue section. And again, look at the streams of colors here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the cellular. This one was more like webbing. Check out all that webbing. And then at this corner, at the rim of the petals, you see the colors like in linear. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the cells. Beautiful cells here with the 24 karat gold. And then the webbing here. And I believe that's the pearl white. Check out that edge there of that pearl white. Beautiful. This is the darker blue part of the painting. And again, streams of colors flow down to the side into this next petal. Beautiful cells. It just creates a lot of interest. Check out right here, that pearl lavender. Absolutely beautiful. Again, I love these triple color base paintings. Tell me if you want to see some more of these. I love doing these because it's so interesting. It's a beautiful color palette. And then the base colors just work well together. Tell me if you like this one. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.